Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about postmortem. Postmortem caloricity is seen in all except it is seen in sunstroke, tetanus and septicemia, but it is not seen in burns. Postmortem caloricity is seen in conditions of whenever there is paralysis of heat regulation mechanism like sunstroke and pontine hemorrhage. It is seen in convulsive deaths like tetanus, strychnine, electrocution, lightning and septicemia. But burns will not produce postmortem caloricity. Thank you and thank you for watching.